Sometimes this intro be real tiring, okay? So anyways. Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. And if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all are here. We are here for part 3 of the upgrading my car series. So my first video, I upgraded my radio. My second one, I did the bedazzling video. And now we are going to be making a steering wheel cover and a keychain set. It's matching set, DIY, okay? The fur that I'm going to use, which is this really cute shaggy fur, I pre-cut all this for the video purposes, so we don't have to do all that in this video. But I did get 0.333 yards of this blush pink fur for this project. The steering wheel was about 46 inches and I gave it like 3 or 4 inches extra, ended up being like 49 inches that I cut. So that is this long piece right here. So we're going to be using this for the steering wheel cover. Okay. And for the keychain, I did pre-cut a keychain, but the original was like so freaking small. So this was the original. I don't even know why I thought that was going to be enough, but the upgraded is this. So very big upgrade. So now we're gonna have a really big puff ball. I'm super excited about it. Ooh, look at her. Yeah, that's that. So let's go ahead and get into the next clip where I'm going to start actually sewing it together, okay? Okay guys, so it's like already dark, so I'm gonna just put my flashlight on so y'all can see. I just realized that this is probably gonna be way too long for the steering wheel, so I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, let me see if I can put the light on. Yeah, that's what shows a bit. Look, let me show y'all. You see how big that? Way too big. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it into itself. So we're gonna bring the back in, if that makes any sense. We're basically gonna touch the two sides of the elastic to each other all the way around. We're gonna put that elastic facing the dash, and then we're gonna put the steering wheel cover on that. Okay. Oh my goodness, so cute. And then I'm going to do where I have the seam on the bottom of the wheel, like right here, because no one's really gonna see it unless I turn the wheel all the way around. So there we go. Oh my goodness, so cute, super cute. Ah, so adorable. I'm super excited. I'm happy. All right guys, so I will see y'all in the next video. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.